According to the United Nations Comtrade database on international trade, Uganda spent $360.3 million in 2020 on iron and steel imports, while exports stood at a mere $68 million, implying that there is a lot to be done to mitigate this poor balance of trade. The company chairman, Tembo Steel, boasts of full implementation of the Bubu policy as it has increased its productivity by 20% in the past year, cementing its position as a leading player in the steel manufacturing industry with production capacity at 800,000 tons of steel per annum.
The long product is wire rods and bars. Both we are doing. One we are doing here and the other one we are doing in Lugaji plant. Our Lugaji plant is around 50% of the total activities are there in Lugaji, balance 50% of the total activities here in Uganda. But we feel pride in this that we are the most diversified and integrated steel plant in the entire continent by far. As far as HRC is concerned, we are the only manufacturer of HRC in whole of East Africa. There is no plant other than Tembo Steel who produces HRC.
Honorable Amos Rugolobi extends his gratitude for the alleviation of the burden resulting from the reduction in the steel import bill. He acknowledges that this significant step has played a pivotal role in contributing to the nation's positive GDP growth.
Been importing a lot of raw material for the steel sector because no country can grow without the steel industry. You cannot grow without construction. Definitely not.
It's a backbone of modern civilization.
Yeah, it's a backbone of civilization and development. So you are really helping us to integrate what we have here and produce final products. And that way saving us a lot of foreign exchange. Perhaps our foreign exchange rate rather would not be the same if we continue to import the raw materials for steel.
Energy and Mineral Development Minister Honorable Ruth Nankabirwa assures the government's unwavering commitment to bolstering production by pledging renewed support through tax reduction and lower electricity tariffs.
From the raw material up to the last product. And we are in the field as a committee, a cabinet committee on mineral development, to exactly see this, interface with people who are engaged in this business, get the challenges they are faced with. Similar challenges almost faced with Tembo, high electricity tariff and intermittent power, but also there are taxes that are being put on Tembo, yet he is doing value addition 100%. So we are happy that we are able to get this, and as a committee, we are going to expand our scope and make sure that we discuss these challenges and recommend to Cabinet so that we see full production where the investor is making break even and making profits, but at the same time promoting Buy Uganda, Build Uganda.
Uganda's steel production for both domestic and export markets currently stands at an estimated 585,000 tons per annum. That is 35% of installed capacity. Of these, 210,000 tons is liquid steel production, which is mainly produced through scrap smelting in the induction furnaces. Ruth Nankabirwa, Smart 24 TV Business Today.